The Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, CTOC, and U.S. Customs and Border Protection are probing the discovery of a massive shipment of illegal guns and ammunition in Miami destined for Jamaica.
It's perhaps one of the largest arms shipment intercepted in recent times.
117 illegal guns and hundreds of rounds of ammunition were seized last month at Miami International Airport in Florida by the U.S. border agents.
More in this report from Janella Precious.
TVJ News understands that the shipment of weapons and ammunition were destined for the criminal underworld in Montego Bay, St. James. Last month, U.S. Customs personnel were conducting a routine inspection of a shipment said to contain personal effects to be placed on a flight destined for Montego Bay. A detailed inspection revealed various food items, a cardboard box labeled as a 4-drawer dresser, and a cardboard box labeled as a television stand. Further checks of the items revealed the shipment of weapons: 2 high-powered rifles, 115 pistols, 139 magazines, as well as more than 200 rounds of ammunition were found. 9 handgun bag straps, 5 magazine parts, 3 pistol grips, and 3 buttstocks and weapon parts were also discovered. A senior investigator told TVJ News that Jamaican police had been working closely with their American counterparts to identify and capture the individuals behind the gun shipment. However, the covert operation reportedly went bust. He said the guns and ammunition were destined for criminal gangs in Montego Bay. The investigator said the cops are now trying to determine whether the latest find is linked to last month's gun find at the Kingston terminal, in which 19 weapons and more than 4,000 rounds were intercepted. A spokesman for the U.S. Customs and Border Patrol Florida office told TVJ News that, quote, "As there is an ongoing investigation, it is the agency's policy not to release additional information at this time," unquote. Janella Precious, TVJ News.